Super late breaking news here. Phil Schiller is stepping down as Apple's Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing to be replaced by his deputy, Greg Joswiak. Quoting CNBC, Schiller will continue to work at Apple as an Apple Fellow, the company said, and will continue his role as the boss of Apple's App Store and company events. Schiller will also continue to report to Apple CEO Tim Cook. Schiller has worked at Apple since 1987. I'll keep working here as long as they'll have me. I bleed 6 colors, but I also want to make some time in the years ahead for my family, friends, and a few personal projects I care deeply about, Schiller said in a statement. Schiller's departure from his formal role on Apple's leadership team comes following several other notable departures over the last couple years, including head of design Johnny Ive, PR boss Steve Dowling, and retail boss Angela Ahrendts. But Apple also made an addition to its exec team in that same time period with John Gianandrea, the head of artificial intelligence, end quote. Yes, and to quote Ben Thompson on Twitter, I think it's a solid bet to assume that Schiller isn't in charge of the App Store in around 6 months or so, end quote. Well, I'm sure we're in for a whole bunch of Cupertino Kremlinology pieces in the next few days.